approach the conversation very much from their point of view. That's basically emotional intelligence. If you're planning to ask for a raise, then it's really important to make sure that you get 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep the night before, that perhaps you do some mindfulness, or if it suits you better, that you do some exercise in the morning before you go and approach your boss. Absolutely make sure that you've had breakfast and drunk lots of water and not relied on coffee and sugar to fuel you through that meeting. You need to be at your best, so you need to provide all of those physiological conditions that make your brain operate really effectively and from more of an abundant mindset rather than a lack or survival mindset. Make sure that you've made a list of why you feel that you deserve that raise so that you can back it up with evidence, you can back up your request. But also, the best way to inspire someone else into action is to point out to them the benefits for them or the company of agreeing to your request. So always try to put yourself into the other person's brain and think, why would they agree to this? What reward is there potentially for them in this request? And approach the conversation very much from their point of view. That's basically emotional intelligence, understanding what's going to motivate the other person.